Welcome guys to my channel. Right now it's a little bit windy here in Las Vegas, Nevada. As you could see, look at the clouds. It's cloudy, and look at the trees through my home. Wow! Woo! Wow, there's strong wind. Oh, that's okay. Look at that. Whew, very strong wind. Oh my God. Look. Woo. Okay. The weather is bad right now. There's a strong wind. It's windy. I don't know how many miles per hour, but it's a strong wind. We have a strong wind right now here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Oh my God, what's this? God. What's that? Wow, look at that. Look at that wind. And I'm here right now at my backyard. And look at the clouds. Wow. There's some wind. Oh my God. Look how crazy it is. Look. This is crazy. Woo! Need to go inside. Look. It's crazy. Well, I'm here inside our home. And yeah, look at the strong wind. It's crazy out there. Look at the Marty. Wow, this is very strong wind. Right now it's 1:45 p.m. Eastern Time, Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm inside right now, our home, and it's windy. It's windy out there. We have a strong wind right now. I don't know, probably like 80 or either 100 miles per hour wind. Look at the trees. Look at the palm tree of my neighbor. Wow. Dang. Wow, this is crazy.
Wala na yung karton natin dyan. Wala na.
Even my box inside my, you know.
Goodness.
Oh. Wow, look at that. What the heck? God. This is the actual wind right now here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Ate, look! Anya, faster! Look at this!
I don't see any tornado, but it's windy day today.
Strong wind.
Strong wind.
Here, over here. Ate, come over here.
We didn't check the weather today, but we have a strong wind right now in Las Vegas, Nevada. 1:47 p.m. Eastern Time in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is what you see. This is a live video
It's gonna blow me.
inside our. I'm filming inside our home
Oh
because I want to stay outside
It's gonna blow me.
because it's windy out there. Windy out there.
It's gonna blow us. Look at the clouds. They're blowing away. Yes.
The wind is really strong.
Look at your gloves. Oh no. I'm so hungry. I'm tired. I'm getting itchy.
Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. May God bless you all. Stay safe. Bye for now.